decided to do a 3-marker challenge of Happy New Year posters. Okay, so basically Danny is gonna close his eyes and choose 3 markers that I'm gonna use. And Julie's gonna close her eyes and choose 3 markers that I'm going to use. Danny, close your eyes and pick 3 markers. Okay. Mix it first. And 10 when I'm ready to put my hand in. Oops. Wait, Danny, I need to say mix them. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait, these colours can be useful though. Intelligent. These two are my favourite colour. I really like the blue and the green. Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Where's black? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hi. Close. I want to choose, but I can't. This one, this one, this one. Oh no. Uh-oh, Danny, you gotta get it. And you got boyish colours. But I really love this. You're ready now to do our Happy New Year poster with only 3 markers. But before we do it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderlab. So let's start, Danny. Okay. Look how nice. These colours that I got are really dark, but are not the traditional colour of Happy New Year. But I'm trying to use different techniques to make it more nice. After there's going to be a judge to say which drawing is the best. I think the judge is just holding the camera. Yeah. The one who's holding the camera is the judge. What is the telecameraman? Telecamera woman.
Telecamera mum.
And you are going to be the judge. 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 Which one is it? So funny. I'm on the last word now.
Artist in action.
Artist in running. Picasso. I mirror. Firework time. I'm going to keep the stars white. This will add lots of bright to my drawing. I'm done. I'm nearly done. Now let's wait for Julie. I'm done. Judge, are you ready to choose? Ta-da! I will win, definitely. No, I will win. I think I will win. I think we did a really good job. Yes. But Judge, which one do you think is the best one? What do you think?
Judge will pick...
Yay! I think that they're really nice together, but I think Danny one is really nice because he is all colours, but I only used blue and green.
Oh, it was a 3-marker challenge.
No, but look, here I use some brown, here I use some brown, here I use some brown.
All right, okay.
Danny, we did a great job. High five. High head, high head. Danny, where are you? Here, Julie. Are you ready for another New Year's Eve activity? Yes, I am, pirate. As we promised in the previous video, next activity is gonna be, Danny, are you ready? Yes. Party poppers! You will need toilet paper roll, balloon, scissor, tape, and a glue stick. And colourful paper. And if you want to decorate your party popper, you can use colourful markers or stickers or whatever you want. First step is to cut corianders from these colourful papers in tiny but now we're going to show you how to do more. Be really careful when we do this thing. I should not do it. I'm putting them all together and then I'm going to cut them and all the corianders are going to come out. Okay? You already have the quintal there and I put them all together. So then after you don't have to go there and we cut them. That's more like it. Now we need to put the corianders on the side. And the most hard bit is gonna come. We have to do a knot at the end of the balloon, right over here. Like if the balloon was inflated. I'm not so good at doing knots. Tell the camera, Mom, can you help me? Maybe just pull this out. If it's too hard, ask help to someone who knows how to do it, or a grown-up. Now we have to cut the opposite part of the balloon. Once this is done, we need to put them on the side because it's time to decorate our party popper. Yay! I'm going to start by doing a lovely flower. I'm starting to write my name. Oh yeah, right. Once our party popper is decorated, we need to attach the balloon with sellotape. See, let's do teamwork so it'll be easier. You hold this and put it inside here. Yeah. And then we have to put some tape. I'm going to be the world record and I'm going to do it by myself. I don't think so, Judy. I think so, Danny. Look, if I do this side, then I go this side, then I go this side. I'm saying. I made it. Oh no, this just came off. Then you can have a bit of teamwork. Why did we need a glue stick?
You need a glue stick if you want to attach some glitter or stickers.
Danny, teamwork. Add lots of tape, that's the tip. Mine is a very thick layer. Look. Look, come. Was that a bonfire? No, guys, it was Danny. This is how the party popper should look like. Now it's time to fill our party popper with corianders. And then put a bit so then it won't be so heavy to pop it. Okay. I think. Denny, shall we try this? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Let's Happy New Year! I want more. This is the best thing I've ever done in my life. Danny, let's do a double coriander. Yeah. Danny, let's do this. Let's do that. I hold yours and you hold mine. Yeah, but. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Roll. But for New Year's Eve, it's fun! You have something in your hair. Here. We hope you enjoyed playing with us. Continue following us and don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow we're going to show you how to play a New Year's Eve crazy bingo! Please subscribe and bye!